Step into the fascinating world of the Golden Orb Weaver, one of nature's most skilled architects. Known for its dazzling golden silk and massive, intricate webs, this spider is both mesmerizing and mysterious. In this documentary, we explore how the Golden Orb Weaver spins webs stronger than steel by weight, its unique role in balancing ecosystems, and the secrets behind its shimmering. Threads that have inspired science and art alike. From its hunting strategies to its vital contribution to nature's design, discover why this spider is a true masterpiece in creation. Coming soon, only on Your What Art Nature.